Good day, my wonderful viewers. So welcome once again to Frequency Online Maths. So let's quickly solve this question. This is number 10 of the jamb question. They said the identity element with respect to multiplication shown in the table above is. So let's know the identity element. So know that let's identity element is that a star, a certain identity will give us what? A. So let's use it here. So we are going to have P operation P give us what? R. So does it show that P is an identity element? No. So P have failed us. Is not an identity element. P have failed us. So now let's go to this one. P operation Q. What is it giving us? It's giving us what? P. So it shows that Q is what? An identity element for this one. So let's do for this one. P operation R. Give us what? R. What is this showing you? That R is not an identity element under this. Then P operation S is equals to P. So it's showing us that S is what? An identity element. Hope you can see it. So let's go to this one. Let's go to this Q. So Q operation. I like writing star. Operation P. Give us what? P. So it means that P is not an identity element here. So Q operation Q give us what? Q. So it shows that Q is an identity element here. So in the original question, I saw P here. So maybe Jam made mistake or the question paper. See the question paper here. So I'm seeing P here. I hope you can see it. I'm seeing P here. So it means that they made mistake there. So something like that. So but I corrected it and put Q. So Q operating on R will give us what? Q operating on R will give us R is equals to R. So it shows that R is not an identity here. So Q operating on S give us S. Shows that S is not an identity here. So let's move over to R. R operating on P is giving us what? R. So it shows that P is an identity element here. So R operating on Q give us R. It shows that Q is an identity element. Then R operating on R is giving us R. It shows that R is an identity element. R operating on S. R operating on S give us R. Shows that S is an identity element. And let's move to S. So let's move with S. So S operating on Q. S operating on P give us our what? Q. Shows that P is not an identity here. So S operating on this thing is just like soup. S operating on Q. S operating on Q. Give us S. So it shows that Q is an identity element. S operating on R. Give us what? R. So it shows that R is not an identity element. S operating on S. S give us Q. So it shows that RS is not an identity element. So now with all these things we've seen, therefore P got how many points? 1, 2. Only 2 points. P is equals to 2 points. Now, Q got how many points? One, two, three, four. Q got 4 points. Now, R got how many points? One. Only 1 point. 1 point. S got how many points? One. Only one. Two. S 2 points. Therefore, the identity element is what? Q. Q is the identity element. Because when a variable is operated on Q, it gives you back your what? Variable. So it means that Q is the identity element there. Q is the identity element. Thank you for watching and may God bless you. Bye bye.